Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. Today we are making peanut butter soup. So our peanut butter that we're using is that Ghana taste. It's really creamy and nice. And then we have tomato paste here that we're going to use as well. We have oregano, and then we have garlic powder. In here we have our meat, salted meat. We have goat meat, and then we have tripe. And then we have 2 fresh tomatoes and 2 scotch bonnets, 1 large onion diced in it, and then I have blend garlic and onion and ginger in here. So that's a quick one. So now we're going to our fire. So here I have added thyme already. Here I'm going to add the garlic powder and oregano, and I'm going to leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So I'm also adding the tomato puree. So I need about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste here. That's it. So I'm going to leave it to cook a bit, and then I'll mix it up. So in my blender I have added 3 cups of water, and added also the peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm gonna mix this and cook this. So now I have blended my peanut butter, added into this pot. I'm going to leave it to cook, and and then I'll add it to my soup. So that's my tomatoes ready. I'm taking them out and blend it with the pepper. Yeah. So I'm going to blend this and put them back into there. So I'm adding the blend tomatoes and the scotch bonnet. I'm adding also water. That much of water, about 2 cups water. And I'm going to add my mackerel that I grilled earlier here to my soup. See, I'm going to leave it to cook, and then I'll add the peanut butter. I'm adding the peanut butter that I've cooked into my soup. Yeah. Mix them up. I'm gonna add a bit of water in here and to leave it to cook for another 15 minutes. So this is our peanut butter soup is done. So we're going to serve this with omutio. We have our omutio here. We're going to serve with. This is how I like my peanut butter soup. Thick, really thick. And you're going to eat it Sunday dinner, or you can have it as a Sunday lunch as well. That's it. I'm going to put some meat in there. Some meat here. And then it smells so good, guys. It smells good, and it tastes nice as well. I'm gonna add fish here. Fish on the side. Yeah. And I'm cooked beans as well. I'm going to add bits of black eyed beans on top here. it goes with it really well. So when you have your mutu, make sure you have your black eyed beans somewhere. Yeah. That's going to add a bit of soup on top. Okay, this is it. So this is how our peanut butter soup look like. I hope you enjoy cooking with us today, that you like, you comment and share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye and bon appetit. Bye.